Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you ever had a question or issue while shopping on Temu and wondered how to get in touch with their customer service, you are in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to chat with Temu customer service. So let's get started. First of all, find the Temu app. Now open it. Now look for the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Go ahead and tap it. Here you can find the little headphone icon at the top right corner. Now simply select it. Next, here you can find the option of contact us. Simply select it. In the chat window, you can type your question or issue and you will be connected with the customer service agent in real time. It's super easy. Now that's it. You can now easily chat with Temu's customer service team anytime you need help. Whether it's about a product, a delivery issue, or a return, their team is there to help you out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.